Sometimes it's the smallest details that can make the biggest impact. With the PFAFF Creative 4.5 sewing and embroidery machine, one small single design element can turn into an infinite number of stunning kaleidoscope patterns. Embroider your unique, personal creations using the largest embroidery area on the market. Place every single design exactly where you want it and match multiple hoopings to create embroideries of unlimited size. With the increased speed, you'll complete your projects 30% faster. The original IDT system ensures perfect seams on all fabrics. Explore the 480 built-in stitches. If those are not enough, you can even make your own. Combine pairs of beautiful matching stitches in 2 colors using the PFAFF exclusive stacking stitches, or create eye-catching 3D decorative embellishments with the unique ribbon stitches, only from PFAFF. Throughout the creative process, you can see the 270 high-quality designs, and all of your ideas come to life via the bright and intuitive Creative Color touchscreen on the extraordinary PFAFF Creative 4.5 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Are you ready to make an impact? Visit your local dealer today.